Hello everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to mention constant in Python code. For example, we have a number that is 100 and this number is not going to change, is not going to be changed in the entire life cycle of our programming file. So we are going to use this 100 all the time, and we have to create a variable for this thing, for this constant, and that variable should be in such a way that just by seeing it, we should easily identify that this is a constant. So the universal code to represent a constant in Python is nothing but to proceed for all the capital letters. For example, imagine the maximum, max to max, the the maximum human life in today's world is approximately 100 years. So I'm just taking 100 as a constant for max underscore human underscore life equal to 100. So maximum human life is equal to 100. Instead of passing all these things in terms of lowercase, I have just used uppercase because I want to specifically convey that this 100 is not a normal number, this is a constant. So this will remain as a constant throughout my programming code. Okay, so if you want to write any comments for your code, for example, you want to write a particular thing, this is not a code. So you can always do the same thing with the help of this hash or pound symbol. You can call either way. And this particular thing has now become a comment. And also you can also try another way to represent your comments, that is these things. Like you can easily put 3 quotes here, and instead of, inside this quote, you can pass like this is not a quote but a comment. Now I'm just saving my file, and if I just try to, I'm just clearing the output, and if I just try to run, see here, the file has got run. See here, it is actually running, but it has not printed anything because this particular thing is considered as an output, and this particular thing is considered as an, sorry, my bad. This particular thing is considered as a comment, and as well as this particular thing will be considered as a comment. But what is the difference between this hash symbol and using this particular triple quotes as a comment? These particular triple quotes are pretty much useful if you want to have multi-line comments. For example, this is not a quote but a comment. This is not going to run. Python treats it as comment, just like that. So if you, even if you write hundreds of lines of code, if you have passed this inside a triple quote, then it has become a comment. But this particular hash symbol is only when you are actually trying to write a single line of code, and it will usually consider this particular line of code as a comment. And this particular hash is only valid for a single line comment, whereas this triple quotes is actually valid if you want to write more than a single line of code or comment. That's it.